Tell me why you devalue a lovely piece of art by hanging it all weird, too high. You don't look at art like that. The golden rule is eye height, 57 to 60 centimetres off the ground. That's why things always look expensive in a gallery. It's hung where it should be. Above a console and a sofa, there should be 2/3 width from the furniture. Hang the frames as close together as the frame is wide. When you've got a small table and things are happening, you can also hang it even lower. You can place another piece on top for visual interest. While we're at it, don't be hanging your TV so high. Otherwise you'll have a generation of people with neck pain. No one looks at TV like that. You should be looking at TV as you're sitting. Good point, as you're sitting like at your computer screen. That's where you should be having your TV. Don't be hanging things too high.